Pocophone F1 has been in the market for almost 6 months, and Pocophone did not slow down on adding features to Pocophone F1. Pocophone F1 received MIUI 10 back in November, but it is still based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now, with MIUI 10.2.2, not only it received Android 9.0 Pie, and it received night mode and also super slow motion. I'm Alex On from Mr. Tax, and in this video, we will look into what improvement MIUI 10.2.2 brings along. Watching this video alone will not bring the complete experience. You will have to watch our hands-on of the MIUI 10 on Pocophone F1 and Redmi Note 5 for complete understanding. Not much of user interface has been changed since MIUI 10 to MIUI 10.2.2 other than adding shortcuts in the recent apps. You can reach the cleaner, security scan, deep clean, and also manage apps easier than ever before. If I did not talk about Poco Launcher, then the experience will not be complete for Pocophone F1. From the previous hands-on of MIUI 10 on Pocophone F1 and Redmi Note 5, Xiaomi had added dark mode to Poco Launcher, and with the latest update, Xiaomi also added double tap on the home screen to lock. This feature is quite useful for those that do not want to use their power button that often. This feature will only work with Xiaomi smartphone. Other than that, Xiaomi also removed the Poco Launcher branding from the app drawer. Pocophone F1 had received Android 9.0 Pie previously with MIUI 10.1.3, but the changes are not obvious. Android 9.0 Pie should bring along digital well-being and many more, but it is nowhere to be seen, as Xiaomi either stripped down or removed features offered by stock Android to better suit MIUI. This is the reason why I did not do a hands-on of MIUI 10.1.3. Xiaomi added night mode and super slow motion to Pocophone F1. Super slow motion is considered impossible for this price range, and this makes Pocophone F1 more competitive than other brands. I did an in-depth comparison of the night mode with night sight, and you can find the link in the description below, or you can find it on the top right corner. The other added features is press and hold the power button for calling Google Assistant. As full screen gesture getting common, calling out Assistant is getting difficult. Making the power button as an action button makes more sense, but I often fail to call out Assistant. Did MIUI 10.2.2 add value to Pocophone F1? It did, but it is not as exciting as Pixel getting new Android version. Xiaomi stripped down or removed some stock Android features for better suits MIUI. By adding super slow motion and night mode, did make Pocophone F1 more attractive in the price segment. Xiaomi managed to finish the 4K 60 frames per second recording and will include it as soon as possible. But White Wine L1 still in progress. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.